What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you a simple, effective, easy copy and paste system that can make you $100 or more per day. Now, I just want to address something really quick because I know a lot of people are going to ask, how simple is it to just copy and paste something and make money? It is very simple. However, a lot of people out there, especially here on YouTube, are saying, copy this link, paste it right here, you make $1 million. Now, if that was how simple it is, why are they making a video about it? Okay? And you're probably asking me, why am I making a video about this? Number one, I'm making a video because I want to help you out. I want to help you get to that level where you can actually make some money. This system, it requires work. Okay? That's what I do. That's what some of the people that I teach, this is exactly what we do. And it makes us money. However, it takes work. It's not just copy this link, paste it here, become a millionaire, retire tomorrow. That's not the case. Let me show you. So we're going to be using Instagram. The reason why I want to use Instagram is because I want to show you something really quick. See this right here? I did not create this, okay? This was something somebody created for, help me out with or whatever, like a year ago. I paid $5 for this, okay? $5. Now, it was something that I think I paid somebody on Fiverr, but this was some right here, this image, it was actually a square image and I made it into my Instagram profile pic. Okay, great. Well, don't you think other people out there would want a picture, maybe not like this, but they'd want something a little more professional? Yeah, let me show you this. Okay, on Fiverr, if I go to Instagram profile, let's just do that and see if a Instagram profile picture pops up. I will logo resize for Facebook, Instagram profile picture. Okay, so they're going to resize the logo, or you could do. Let's try Instagram logo. Okay. What you want to do is you want to come and find somebody that can design. I will make a unique Instagram logo starting at $5. Let me click on that one. Okay. Starting at $5. A simple yet impressive design plus unlimited revisions. 3 days delivery. Starting at $5. Cool. All right. $5 to make something looks professional. All these I'd say would look professional. Fairly good. All right. Well, now what? Just because we found somebody to create it, what do we do now? So I'm creating a video telling you how to do a copy and paste system, how to do this exact same process. This is what I do. Okay, I have people that find other companies, other people, and other individuals that are looking for either posts or a logo or banners, something that they're looking for, and then I connect them with the right person, which I outsource that task. I hire somebody to create the logo, send it to my team, and then my team forwards it to the client. So the client pays me, and I pay the person that actually created it. So we make the difference. Here's what you gotta understand. For most people that are gonna get a Instagram profile pic created or a logo, they're thinking it's gonna cost them $20 to $30, maybe $50 to have it done. It actually doesn't. If you can sell it between $10 to $15, you're gonna make money. With Fiverr, I think it comes up to like $5, $6 or something like that is what you're going to pay as a customer of a gig. Okay, let me show you this. So if I were to come right here and I were to buy this, what's going to happen is it's going to charge me $6. I have to pay a dollar fee. Okay, so with that dollar fee, I pay $6, but if I charge somebody $10, that means I make $4 for every single one of these that I sell. So, if you want to make $100, you got to sell 25 of these per day. Well, how hard is that? Let me show you this. So, here on Instagram, if you type in motivation Monday, okay, this is usually where I look, over 5 million posts. Just come down here and just start finding something, all right? So, let's say I'm going to click on this one, okay? And I'm going to click on Muscle Crew Fitness, okay? Cool. Muscle Crew Fitness. 1,500 followers, so not a lot. Okay. Is it exercise, physiology, minor nutrition? Cool. Okay, so there are some of the posts. I don't know if it's guy, girl, whoever it is. Anyway, does this say anything about muscle, anything about fitness? No, it doesn't. But couldn't we create something? Could we make something better? Yes, we could. Don't you think this guy right here could make something a little bit better, a little more professional? Yes, probably. For Matt Dawson from Muscle Crew Fitness, yeah, I bet they could. I'll make custom Instagram logo, luxury in 24 hours. Let's see, what are some of their things? NutriHealth Labs, that's pretty cool. 24-hour turnaround time, only $5. All right, cool. I want to tell this guy, this is what I can do for you. The way you get a hold of people is go on your phone. Okay, you got your phone. Okay, now you can send them a DM. Now, from my personal experience, when I send people a DM, a direct message from my Instagram account to theirs, most of the people that I actually send these to never get them or never get back to me. But the actual response that I get from people that I send an email to actually goes up. So what you want to do, okay? So let's say we come back here and we're just going to go and find, let's say I'm going to click on this guy. One thing you can do is actually look and see how many likes it gets. I try to find somebody that has a little more likes than just a few, just because they're more likely to pay for something if they're getting engagement and it's probably helping out their brand or their business. This one right here, those are views, but you get the point. Holly Becker Fit, okay, out of Ohio. 6,000 followers, okay, registered nurse, CPT, cool. Gym addict, 5% nutrition. Now this one, this picture isn't horrible, but her name, her Instagram profile is Holly Becker Fit. This does not say Holly Becker Fit. Now, if she was a celebrity or a personality, a TV personality, something like that, and people knew the smile, knew the face, yeah, it makes sense. But if she's not, which I don't think she is, but if she isn't, maybe something that shows a little more fitness right here, okay? Something like this, okay? Her working out, okay? This would show fitness, okay? Something with her holding weights, showing her abs, something that relates to fitness, because that's exactly what she's talking about. So you find accounts like this, okay? Find accounts like that you could actually do something for, and you can go back through and you can find a bunch of different ones. Let's go look at this guy's. Matthew lifts, okay? Now that looks like he lifts. Now we could also say, hey, his name's what, Matthew Martinez or something like that. Say right there, hey, Matthew, I just want to reach out to you and let you know what I do. I create custom Instagram profile pics. I really like yours. It's very professional. However, I think we could make it better if we improve the lighting, maybe add some text into it, maybe right down here, make it look a little more professional and really add to his brand. Why? Because you're almost at 10,000 followers. Once you get to 10,000, you're going to be introduced to a whole new set of things here on Instagram. I really want to help you out. If you want to talk about it, just let me know. You can always hit me back, send me a DM, or you can always email me at this email address. Very simple, okay? And you just move on. So, how effective is this copy and paste system? It's very effective. Now, I'm telling you, you can make $4 by charging $10 to do an Instagram profile pic. However, you can also sell Instagram posts. This is something I've talked about. I talked about in a video I think I did a day or 2 days ago. I've talked about in a video I did a month or so ago. I've talked about in a video I did over a year ago. And every single time, people will comment and let me know, hey, this actually works. This is actually a legitimate business. I can make money. Yeah, it's a legitimate business. You can actually make money. And all you're doing, if you don't want to create the actual content, you don't want to create the post, you don't want to create the profile pic, you don't have to. That's where the copy and paste comes in. You let somebody know. Over on Fiverr, you hire them and you say, hey, this is the account I need you to create a profile pic for. Okay, this is what I need. They don't have to know that you are the middleman. They don't need to know that is not your account. Just let them know, this is what I need. This is as fast as I need it. Okay, and I want it to have, it needs to be in blue, red, and green. Those are the colors. Okay, and those are the requirements. You got to do this. Okay, and then they'll send it back to you, and then you'll send it to your client. And if the client needs it revised, you send it back to the person over on Fiverr, like, I need this done. I would like this little tweak. And they'll make that tweak. They'll send it back. You send it. It's just copy and pasting. You're just the middleman going back and forth. But the whole goal here, the whole reason why I want to show you this is because you do not need any experience. All you have to do, exactly what I showed you from my computer, go over to Instagram, and you can do it right from your phone as well. Go to Instagram, and find people that have a decent following, but do not have the most professional Instagram picture. Okay, their profile pic. Now I know I don't have the most professional one either. It could be better, but it works. People have seen it and they know that's me. Okay, so just all you have to do is go find people that you know or that you think could benefit from your service. Okay, it doesn't have to be a service you already provide. This is brand new. Okay, people have been doing this for years. I got started with it a while back and I've been very successful because of it. So all you gotta do, get out there, reach out to other people and offer them this service. Okay, now there's multiple services you can actually offer, but just understand, it does take a little bit of time. It will make you some money, but you have to put in the work. Alright, so hopefully this video helps you out. Now I know this is something that I've showed you before, but you gotta understand it's so simple. There are literally thousands of ways to make money online, right from your computer. Okay, right from your phone. You don't need a whole lot. All you need is the motivation to get going. Okay, the drive to make some money. That's all you need. So if you have any questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and want more videos on just simple ways to make money directly from home, right from your computer, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my free videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.